Do you want to know how you can cancel your Spotify premium account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Want to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can cancel your plan or your subscription on Spotify. So let's go ahead and open Spotify on your PC and click on Profile on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on Account, which you see over here. After that, what you need to do is open this page over here. Scroll a bit down and find your subscriptions. Go ahead and click on Manage your subscription. Scroll a bit down and click on Change Plan. After you do so, scroll a bit down and find your plan or subscription. So you can see that switching to free will cancel your premium plan. You do have a premium plan right now, so if you click on Cancel Plan, which is here over here, you can see that your plan will be cancelled. So if you want to cancel your plan, you can click on Continue to Cancel. If you cancel, you'll exchange to your free plan, and this is the date from which it will be started. Here's how your listening will change on that date. So you will see some of the ads over here, and you can see how many times you can skip and all of this. So if you really want to cancel your account, just go ahead and click Continue to Cancel, and you will successfully cancel your premium subscription plan of Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.